Hey everyone, it's Colin. Welcome to Treasure Coast Family Living. Today we brought the family to the annual Hobe Sound Arts Festival. It's something we love to do. There's a lot of awesome artists that come here, and it's super family friendly. Our kids were just swinging in the swings. One of the booths, it was super fun. We were terrified. The guy was like, don't even worry about it. It's all good. I think our kid tried to get something for free. That was like $500. Everyone's super cool here. It's a lot of fun. There's good food. Comment down below if you can find out which painting or art thing is our favorite.
Love art things.
Yeah, we love art things. There's just so many different types of things, not just paintings, but there's these super cool animals right here that have the moving heads and everything. So we got some videos on there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to the 23rd Annual Hobe Sound Festival of the Arts. But first, coffee. We made a pit stop by Hobe Sound Social. Best coffee in town. So, spoiler alert, our favorite part of the day wasn't an art piece, but it was running into friends Amber and Adam. So she actually created the 23rd Annual Hobe Sound Festival of the Arts poster called Flora, Fauna and Fun. And of course, don't forget to stop by Nautical But Nice Trading Co. This store has the cutest coastal little knickknacks I've ever seen. There's lots of good finds in there. As we come to a close on our day, just wanted to say thank you so much to all the sponsors that made this arts festival possible. Don't forget to like our video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks guys, see you next time.